Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting comparison video for you where we will be taking a closer look at two popular microphones. We have the Logitech Blue Yeti Nano mic and the TONOR USB microphone. Let's dive right in and see how these two stack up against each other. Starting with the price, the Logitech Blue Yeti Nano mic comes in at $99, while the TONOR USB microphone is available at a more budget-friendly price of $49. If you're looking for a cost-effective option, the TONOR USB microphone might be the way to go. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones excel in their own ways. The Logitech Blue Yeti Nano mic features two custom mic capsules, delivering exceptional presence and detail, perfect for professional-level recording and streaming. On the other hand, the TONOR USB microphone offers a cardioid pickup pattern, capturing clear, smooth, and crisp sound while suppressing unwanted background noise. So, if you prioritize broadcast sound quality, the Logitech Blue Yeti Nano mic might be your top pick. Now let's talk about the features. The Logitech Blue Yeti Nano mic boasts the Blue Vo CE software, allowing you to craft the perfect vocal sound for your broadcasts with enhanced effects, advanced modulation, and HD audio samples. It also offers multiple pickup patterns, including cardioid and omni, catering to various recording and streaming needs. On the other hand, the TONOR USB microphone is straightforward and easy to use, requiring no additional drivers. It also comes with a pop filter and a shock mount. So, depending on your preference for additional features, you can make an informed choice between the two. To sum it up, both the Logitech Blue Yeti Nano mic and the TONOR USB microphone have their own strengths and cater to different needs. If you're looking for top-notch sound quality and advanced features, the Logitech Blue Yeti Nano might be worth the investment. However, if you're on a budget and want a reliable and easy-to-use microphone, the TONOR USB microphone is a fantastic choice. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy recording and streaming.